Zone Ads, World of Local Business Info.
Just installed President Dr. Hemant Kumar. Today's chief guest, past multiple council chairperson Prakash Rao Garu, dignitaries on the dais, in the audience, line members, ladies, నమస్తే. ఈరోజు ఇక్కడ లయన్స్ క్లబ్ ఆఫ్ భావన మరియు హైదరాబాద్ సన్ రైజర్స్ ఈ రెండు క్లబ్స్ వాళ్ళ ఇన్స్టలేషన్ చేసుకున్నారు. And we have seen that last few years nunchi we have been observing that these clubs are doing wonderful service to the society. So I wish them all the best for the incoming team headed by Hemant Kumar, and also Lakshmi Garu. Being a couple, I am sure that they will deliver more work, more service to the society in the years to come. I know Hemant Kumar Garu personally also, being a dental surgeon and belongs to my same fraternity. He does good work because personally I know him very well, and I am sure that he will also take up many more activities in the years to come and see that this district, స్పెషల్లీ 320H ఏదైతే కొత్తగా వచ్చిందో దాన్ని ముందుకు తీసుకెళ్తారని ఆశిస్తూ నాకు సమయం ఇచ్చినటువంటి ఈ భావన క్లబ్కి ధన్యవాదములు. థ్యాంక్ యూ లైనిజం.
Subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon and select all.